Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners. It is August 29th. This is a Path Chat educational update covering Bitcoin Cash. And before I introduce Mike Arnold and get him started on the analysis, I wanted to address something that's come up a couple of times, and I think a little background into what trading actually is appropriate and necessary. Mike and I have a combined 52 years of this. Well, 51 years. Mike's got a year more than me. When you're a trader, okay, first of all, we don't have time to sit in front of the computers and just produce videos saying, hey, it went here, now it's going here. Hey, it went to this level, now it's going to that level. So what we try to do, and why we call these educational updates, is to give you guys an example of like, look, if you're accumulating, this is a good place to accumulate. If you're a scalper, if it gets through here, it's going to go to here. If it doesn't, it's going to do this. Markets move. If you just look at the chart on your screen right now, every bar is either red or green. That means every single bar is either up or down. Real trading, people who've actually traded for a living know that you don't predict things. You react to what's happening based on what your goals are. So if your goal is to scalp in and out of cryptocurrencies, we got you. If it goes through here, it's going to here. If it goes in the other direction, it's going here. Yes, they can go up or down. Now, if you want us to predict what's happening, then you got to be on the phone with us or in our trading room the second one of the levels that Mike describes is broken. And then we'll tell you with a high degree of probability, not a certainty, not 100% certainty, but a high degree of probability what's going to happen next. But we can't do that because we're putting out free short videos on YouTube. So what we're doing is we're not trying to predict direction because real traders don't actually do that. What real traders do is they react to the markets, and you learn this in traditional markets. So if your goal is to accumulate cryptocurrencies, the ones that you think are going to last and that you think are going to grow long term, we're going to help you as to where to do that in a more efficient price action basis. If your idea is to scalp or just cut in and out and take some money here and there, yeah, they're going to go up and then they're going to go down. No one has a crystal ball. Anyone that tells you buy my system or do my thing and you'll make X amount of money in X amount of time is full of crap. They don't know and they've never traded. So what we try to do with these videos is tell you guys, here's a target if it starts to move up. What do you have? How can we tell all the people that become subscribers of our channel what their personal situation is and what they should do? We can't do that. That would be irresponsible. So what we do is we do the analysis the same way we do our traditional markets, the same way we would look at Tesla or Oracle or gold or silver or interest rates, the same way. And we react to what the market is doing and what the price action is telling us. So if you go back and watch the videos, or you watch this one that Mike's about to do, Mike will say to you, hey, it's coming to here. If it comes to here and you want to accumulate here. If it doesn't, and you're long, you can exit here. Or if it breaks through here, it's probably going to here. Markets move. They move regardless of what Mike and I or any of you think it's going to do. So we're giving you places to react based on what your goals are. We don't know your goals. We only know ours. That's why we do responsible, educational updates. We are not a cryptocurrency signal service. We're doing analysis and giving you educational updates on what's been happening and what could happen next in either direction. If you watch the levels, they're extremely accurate. And if you apply the levels to what you're trying to do, you'll do well. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. So, just another quick follow-up with Bitcoin Cash. Talked about if we got below this key level, we'd be looking to add, and we'll switch back to the daily chart to refresh ourselves on what the bottom of the rotation zone. This would be technically a short below this horizontal channel on this close. We are not shorting Bitcoin Cash right now. We've lightened up some extra of our core position and are looking to re-enter it at a lower price, but we are not shorting that. For anybody wondering, the next target levels down on this horizontal channel would be 535, 506, and 478. Looking at the daily chart, the daily chart, there's the bottom of the rotation zone lining up with the candle body and 500. Very key area in here. So that's what we'll be watching for. We have the 506 level from this horizontal channel all the way to 500. That's where we're going to be looking for some reversal patterns to add back in some of our core position. But again, the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart is now against us. So any trades we do, we will do shorter term and taking some off into the rotation zone until it gets back above the rotation zone. That's what we have for you on our Bitcoin Cash US dollar update. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike. And sorry to rant you guys, but sometimes people they have this idea that because we've been doing this so long, we know where things are going. We only know what we're going to do when markets move. A market reacts, we have our plan in place, just like anything else, just like any other part of your life. You know what you're going to do if X, Y, or Z happens. That's how you plan your life. That's how we plan our trading. Hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. If we don't, it's great chatting with you. We got nothing but positive things to say. Cheers, guys.